Hello everyone, season greetings to you all. I would like to share behind the scenes of my outdoor lighting decorations. You could see here I have a huge rack in my garage to store all the seasonal decorating items and all these boxes having outdoor as well as the indoor decorations for the holiday season. Most important thing is like a planning. So before I start even installing the lights, I just plan so how to decorate for year for that year, which lights go where in the yard or hanging all those things. So I plan so that I can put my plug points and extension wires, so it makes easy to go and to start. Here, it's a crepe metal tree. I want decorate this tree with, uh, you know, this bright meteor shower rain kind of lights, and as well as I want to, wrap around with the warm white string lights. These hanging LED warm white lights are definitely a best option, to wrap around porch area and over the garage, for outdoor decorations. And these lights are, looks beautiful in the night times and easy to store after the season over. So I want to put these large Christmas lollipop pathway lights in our front yard area, close to where my bushes are there, and it looks beautiful during the night. And I love the way the color changes night times. Definitely a beautiful addition to my outdoor decorations. Again, these lights are also lollipop pathway lights, but it's a very small size. And it's easy to install anywhere in the yard area, and it looks beautiful. And it's it glows really beautiful in the night times, and it's easy to store in the box. This Penguin Joy 3-piece LED outdoor set is a new addition this year for my holiday decor collection. Yeah, it looks really beautiful, and especially in the night times, that warm white LED lighting provides beautiful illumination. It looks really beautiful. Keeping pre-lit outdoor spiral trees are one of the best traditional way, to cheer up the holiday spirit. And the best part is, these lights are easy to install and easy to take out, and it does not take much space to store, in the garage. So I definitely recommend the spiral trees for yard decorations. Here at the porch area, I want to decorate this part with plaid red bow Christmas decorating ribbon, and I wanted to add this silver and red color tinsel garland around this plant, and install few lights also so it looks beautiful in the night time. Here is my pre-lit skinny flocked Christmas tree. And the reason I keep this in the porch area is, it does not take much space. And so it's, I can decorate really with the beautiful ornaments, shiny ornaments, and it looks really beautiful, especially during the night times. So you could see the final output, how it looks.